Hello my friends, Irina Björna and Bill Books invite you for the very short program. It's a program about give away the present. And we make autumn competition between the series of my Bill Books Today program. So you need to have the right answer for one question. What is the name of my channel? Bill Books. It's number one answer. Number two answer Bill Books Today, and number three answer Bill Books Forever. So just under the screen drop your answer. It's number one Bill Books, or number two Bill Books Today, or number three Bill Books Forever. So, and this person who is, I pick up only one person who will have the right answer for this question, of course, receive the small present from me. And today's small present is Gua Sha massage plate. And I remind you how you use this. You take a little bit oil, it's a baby oil I use, in your face, just a little bit. Then you take the Gua Sha, this is Gua Sha, it's called fish in Chinese language, yeah. And then you start shaving, very accurate, shaving your face, what I do every morning. And you can see my several videos I make, and you can shave also the neck, very accurate, yeah, and neck back, and very effective. I can tell you small secrets of the men. Men have no wrinkles because they're shaving every day. It means that they massage your face. Now it's a good opportunity to receive the presents from Bill Book channel. Let's boost your giveaways word. Bill Books, books for easy living and nice smiling people. Okay, let's see who will be the winner.